My name is Ajinla, the son of OBATALA. I prefer to speak English because I don't want to talk too much. But what level are you with your Orisha? I'm the son of OBATALA. I have OBATALA. Everybody else has OBATALA. But I'm very sure the OBATALA we are having are not on the same spiritual level. People ask me, what makes your OBATALA different from other OBATALA? Because I know we are not on the same spiritual level. You know, when you make sacrifice to OBATALA, you don't expect to get the results instantly. It works gradually. You know, within 7 days, after 7 days, it might be at an instance, depending on individual. But are we on the same spiritual level with our Orisha? No, we are not. We are not on the same spiritual level with our Orisha. Because we are not all dedicated equally. We don't have the same faith towards our Orisha and many other factors. My name is Ajinla, the son of OBATALA.